Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews to make your shopping easier. Today, we're talking about the 365 by Whole Foods Market Apple Cider Vinegar. If you're looking for the best pasteurized apple cider vinegar, this product is definitely one to consider. This organic apple cider vinegar is made from select varieties of organic apples, and it's raw, unfiltered, and packed with the goodness of the mother, that unique component that is known for its health benefits. It's a must-have in every kitchen, especially if you're a fan of using vinegar for both culinary and wellness purposes. The 365 by Whole Foods Market Apple Cider Vinegar has a natural, clean taste that makes it a great addition to your everyday meals. Whether you're tossing it into your salads, adding it to marinades, or even mixing it into sauces, its versatility shines through. It's perfect for everything from poultry and seafood to wake up the flavors in your favorite barbecue sauce or baked beans. Beyond the kitchen, many people swear by the health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Some claim it aids in digestion, helps with weight management, and even promotes overall well-being. Whether you use it as a daily tonic or just in cooking, this vinegar does more than just flavor your food. As a product that's USDA organic and vegan, you can rest easy knowing that it's free from any harmful additives. The vinegar is diluted to a 5% acidity level, making it safe and effective for use in a variety of ways. Plus, it's kosher certified, so it meets the highest quality standards. The bottle itself is simple and easy to handle, with a secure seal, ensuring that the vinegar stays fresh for as long as possible. And, with a 16-ounce bottle, it's just the right size to keep in your pantry without taking up too much space. For those who prioritize organic and non-GMO products, this vinegar ticks all the boxes. It's part of Whole Foods Market's commitment to providing high-quality essentials that are free from hydrogenated oils and artificial colors. So, if you're looking for a reliable, organic, and affordable apple cider vinegar, the 365 by Whole Foods Market Apple Cider Vinegar should be at the top of your list. It's an excellent choice for your health, your kitchen, and your peace of mind. Thank you for watching this review from Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews on products you'll love.